So this is the Excel sheet. So I want to import into my database. Okay. So go back my code. First create a HTML form whose name is form.html. Method is post. I have declared a input file. Type is file. Okay, and the name of the file is my file. Okay, I have declared a button. Type for submit. Name. Go to views.py. Before I have to declare the model. Okay, this is the model name country GDP, and there are four columns: name, code, year, and below. Let's say this is the name, code, year, and below. Okay, ID. Then go to views.py. Now declare a function as like input. If the condition is post, then declare a variable for dataset. You have to import from tab library, import dataset, and import also your model. Okay, function and declare a new function variable, and this is the file name. File name my file, and for input data declare dataset and load new person file name which will be read. Okay, and the format of file Excel. Give a for loop for inputted data 0, data 1, 2, 3, and 4, because we use 5 columns. Okay, so data we can start with from 0 to 4. After that, set redirect my country GDP list. Okay, my countries list. Go to settings, add your input export. You have to install it. Okay, then add install apps, input and export. You may go to your browser, search import apps in so copy this and install. Okay. Now the input access control, the tenders form.html, and now go to urs.py, define your path. I say import and views Excel. Okay, Excel defines for this function. Okay, and give a name of it import. Now, and this is the model for my database. And this is the form. Now, now this control slash set. Select open a new terminal. Go to a project. CD project. My project name is and then type Python minus dot py runs. Click here. Follow. Type import. Okay, enter. And this is the form file. Like this is the form HTML. Input type and button. See here, the input type file and this is the button. So the file, this is the Excel file. Okay, open it, then upload. If I click on this, then redirect to my page. Okay, country GDP list, which I have declared into views.py. Import Excel. Okay, country GDP list, redirect, upload. See here. Okay. Now, this there are 13. Again, I have added total is 90. Okay, so refresh this. Okay, all the values are added. So thanks for watching.